everyone, this is the pattern that I'm using. I did not cornrow my hair because I didn't want to pull at my edges again because I just came out of cornrowing it. So what I did was just part it, flat it, rubber band it, and then right here in this section I just sewed the last plait that I had down. If you can hear the fan in the background, sorry. But yeah, left my baby hairs and edges out, some of the hair in the back so it would not have any tension on it. And yeah, I used the Murray's Edge Wax Extreme Hold just here on the sides and in the front. And for moisture, I use the Texture ID cream and something else. Oh, my oils. And that's just a combination of Jamaican black castor oil, grapeseed oil, olive oil, coconut oil, and some other oil. I don't know the name of it that I got from a Latino store. But yeah, that's it. And now let's get started. Okay, so this is what I have done now. I'm still working on the first bundle, and what I'm doing is where it just naturally separates, I just take it apart and then install it. So just gonna remove any shed hair. I'm gonna make my own loop. Make sure it's even. And then, okay, so I'm gonna take my needle, place it under my braid, my plait, close the latch, pull it through, and then I'm gonna knot it 3 to 4 times. 4, and then I'm going to slide it, and then I'm going to pull it right where I looped it and let it fall. And what I'm doing is separating it as I go along so I don't have to go back through it. So I'll let you guys continue to watch a few, and then I'll come back. Okay, shit. Okay, this is one bundle, and this is what I'm working with so far. Like I said, I will be cutting it because I don't want it this long. But yeah, I just separate it as I'm going along so I can get the fullness, and I don't have to worry about going through it after I do it. So yeah, I will come back when I get to the top, and I will be showing you guys how to do the invisible knot method. And I'm only going to be doing that like in the front and the edges of my hair. So see you when I do. Okay everyone, I am on the second pack and the second bundle. And I've been doing the, sorry about that, I've been doing the invisible knot method. So much going on. Music is going on. The man is outside cutting the yard, and I hope you guys can hear me. So I've been using strands this big and smaller throughout my hair. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to create my own loop. Hold it taut between my fingers. I'm going to take the needle, slide it through my hair, hook the hair on, close the latch, pull it through. And I'm going to bring both ends through twice. And then on the third time, I'm going to pull it through. And you can see right here the split. You're just going to bring one end through instead of both. Alright, so I don't know how much of the video that caught, but my husband video called me, so. Alright, let's try this again. Make my own loop. Pull it through. Stick my fingers in and hold it taut. Take my needle and I'm going to slide it through the hair. Put it on the latch, close it, pull it through, and I'm going to pull it through twice, and then on the third, I'm going to pull it up, and right where it separates, I'm going to take it and pull it and create that invisible knot. And like I said, I've been separating as I've been going along. It hasn't, really gotten tangled.
Perfect.